Welcome to the June 2023 Green Screen. Today we'll be highlighting some of the exciting work found in this month's issue of the Green Journal. We'll be walking through the featured articles listed on the cover. The first is The Levels of Gynecologic Care, a Task Force Consensus Statement. Dr. Breitkopf et al. Provide a framework for patients, hospitals, and clinicians to guide where elective surgery can be done most safely and effectively. In response, Dr. Jason Wright discusses some of the practical considerations and challenges with implementing this type of framework, while acknowledging the heightened focus of improving safety and quality of gynecologic care in the U.S. is needed. The next article is IV iron compared with oral iron supplementation for the treatment of postpartum anemia. In response, Dr. Auersbach and Monroe argue that the current policy of oral replacement should be reevaluated as the frontline therapy for iron deficiency discovered during pregnancy. The next two are narrative review articles. The first is Remote Provision of Medication Abortion and Contraception through Telemedicine, and the second is Radio Frequency Ablation of Leiomyomas. This month also features original research articles on cabergoline for lactation inhibition after second trimester abortion or pregnancy loss, association of a remote blood pressure monitoring program with postpartum adverse outcomes, the temporal relationship between coronavirus disease 19 pandemic and preterm birth, and the timing preventability of cardiovascular-related maternal deaths. This month also features two clinical practice guidelines from ACOG, the first on screening and diagnosis, and the second on treatment and management of mental health conditions during pregnancy and postpartum. To hear more about the editor's picks articles from this month's edition, listen to Editor-in-Chief Dr. Jason Wright and Dr. John Fisher as they discuss these articles in more detail on the Green Journal podcast. You can download it from the Green Journal website or wherever you find your favorite podcast. Thank you for listening to this month's Green Screen. Be sure to visit the Green Journal website or pick up your copy of this month's issue to read the latest research and related articles promoting excellence in the clinical practice of obstetrics and gynecology.